Hi, and welcome to the course. My name is Melissa Arnold, and I'm a teacher located in Texas. In this course, we're going to dive into the world of Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark has three parts to it: Post, Page, and Video. With Post, you can create beautiful graphics for a variety of purposes and share them through a number of ways. Page allows you to create stunning, fluid web stories with text and images, appropriate for any course. With Video, you can quickly produce short storytelling videos with seamless animations. All you need to get started with Adobe Spark is a browser or a mobile device. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Click the link in the description below to explore more free online professional development on the Adobe Education Exchange. And click the link on screen to subscribe to the channel for more videos.